Hi friends, na peru Srihas. Today I'm going to show you how to make a platformer game part 2. So now let's do the coding for jumping, and for that I'm ready. Ready? Yeah. So let's get started. Started. If you want to download Scratch in mobile, I'll use PictoBlocks. It seems like Scratch only, but some differences there. Means there's some beside blue, there's some purple. So leave it for that. We will do the original Scratch what we are doing. So we lift over here and now change and then go to eh, and go to motion, change Y by 5. So change Y by 5 and drag it inside the X velocity and the Y velocity. So next, then drag if block, not if then else, if then else, and drag and key up arrow pressed and drag key up arrow pressed and drag another if then inside with the key up arrow blocks. So I will go to the control. Okay. So let me go to control. Oh yeah. Drag another if then else and next x velocity and next drag this greater than 0 0 then x velocity, so greater than 0. Next drag set x velocity to 0 and next x change same set x velocity to -10 and next step would drag x velocity again. Let's duplicate it this block to 10. Drag it here and set y velocity to 15. Set y velocity to 115. So drag this whole thing here and set and duplicate this, set x velocity to 0. So next step is go full down and change x velocity by not x velocity, y velocity by -1 and change y by y velocity. So we need to mix our y velocity, change y by y velocity and then drag if touching in the color. Let's use a color picker. Okay, so next step, so change, so we will change y velocity by -1. So we will duplicate this whole thing side x by So to y velocity. No. So drag this operators and change this. Beside x, we have to choose y. So we drag the whole thing down. So next, set it set set y velocity to 0, 0 and change y by -1. So let me get this, create this, minus -1. Next, and key up arrow, then if key key up arrow key up arrow sorry and key up arrow and duplicate the whole thing. So beside this keys, please use a color picker, okay, and drag this and set y velocity to 13. Y velocity to 13, and next change y by 1, or else let's duplicate this block and keep it here. So let's check how a player can move. Perfect. And we need to set size to 60. Oh, stuck. So let me press. Oh, sorry. Let me keep 80 on. 80 only. So next, to drag like this. We can jump, but he will be stuck. Sometimes we get it stuck. So So we made our player jump, and next level time. So when I receive tick and tick. So when I receive tick and tick. So we need a changer. So let's paint this part. Right, right, right. To color this color, and use another color picker, just like this. Alright. So let's begin. Make it square. So next to this step, follow me and do the steps. Wait, let me keep a middle and done and done and done. So next, drag this smaller color, keep it here. So next, done. So we need to code the danger. So let's go to the player. So when green flag correct, drag forever loop. So let me name this sprite one as danger. Pencil, pen, pencil, color, danger, danger, danger. Pencil color danger. Not like this. Spelling mistake. Danger. So if touching uh it's pencil pencil color danger, go to x this and then make a lives so of player lives change lives by -1 and set that lives by 10. Next, let's play a sound hand hand clap. Play sound hand clap. I don't have more options for this in the first pinch. So let's drag another if go to operators is equal to 0 0 if low star is equal to 0 0 play sound let's choose a song lows. So there we go. Play sound lows until done. So let's check. Let me open the player list. Example. Yes. Let's check if see play sound as loose and forgot to keep this block stop on. Now see. Oh, sorry. Done and done. So all stop. Alt. So let's keep the levels faster. So when green flag is clicked, when green flag is clicked, if X position, if forever loop, grab forever loop. If X, go to operators. If X position is greater than and 275, faster. Broadcast a new message. Broadcast a new message called new level. So next, broadcast a new message. When I receive you this not a new message, you new level will go to X this much, and drag this one here. And in next part, let's do another codings of the levels. And if you like this, and let me drag change level by 1 And